This summer, something powerful began. A time where bold ideas sparked, confidence rose, and sisterhood took flight. Where girls didn't just dream of changing the world, they started doing it. Welcome to Girls Who Rule the World. Come with us on a journey through our unforgettable weekend.
Extremely excited that my granddaughter got chosen for this program. I pray that the girls will come back different than they went going.
We are here for a great cause. Okay.
See you at the ranch! After meeting all of our sisters, we headed to the ranch to learn, grow, and create unforgettable memories.
Hey, y'all! Okay. It's time. It is show time. Make sure you take everything in and pour into each other as well.
You guys are building the foundation right now. All these women, all of the production crew, all of the team, everybody's here to pour into you guys. So make sure y'all walk away with something, okay?
The most important person that will speak into your life is you. You. Know that you are here with a purpose and that God specifically ordained you to be here on this earth.
If you were in that room, you earn the right to be there, and don't let anyone take that from you.
You embrace all that you are. You never have to look at another girl and think that you are less than, because you already understand that you are powerful in your own right.
I am fearfully and wonderfully made.
Three, two, one. Level up, level up, level up, level up.
I'm not terrible. I'm overly ready.
The rock climbing was very fun.
I just went on the zip line. It's actually pretty fun.
First year at Girls Who Rule the World camp. I love it so much. One thing that I really enjoyed about this camp was getting to meet new people.
I loved hearing all the great speakers.
I really enjoyed going out and being in nature because it's really beautiful here.
Overall, enjoying the camp. I loved listening to other people speak, and it really helped encourage me in my personal life.
I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven.
Being a girl who rules the world means to truly believe in yourself.
Being a girl who rules the world means connecting with your sister.
Being a girl who rules the world means knowing your worth and being confident in yourself.
Being graceful, and also it's just about being your sister's keeper.
So glad that you were able to join us for this incredible, life-changing experience.
I want to leave you with one thing. I can be whatever I dream of being.
Thank you.
And there you have it, such a great weekend. Thank you to everyone who helped make this time so memorable. Until next time, signing off, a girl who rules the world.